Dear students, research scholars and faculties of different colleges and universities, in this video we will discuss association and correlation, Spearman rank correlation method, and Pearson's product momentum correlation method. Before starting the video, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget to put a like in this channel. In the meantime, we have already seen the content of our topics: association and correlation, rank correlation, and product momentum correlation. Now, association and correlation. Correlation analysis explores the association between two or more variables and makes inference about the strength of the relationship. The technical meaning of correlation is the strength of association as measured by a correlation coefficient. In a scatter plot, we can show the association between two variables. By the covariance, we measure how much two variables change together. In a correlation coefficient, we measure the association between two variables. It can be measured by Spearman's rank correlation methods and Pearson's product momentum methods. We use correlation matrix analysis for multivariate data, especially in research projects or in specified fields. Inference about the strength of association between variables are made using a random bivariate sample of data drawn from the population of interest. Association and correlation rank correlation method. In 1905, the famous British psychologist Charles Edward Spearman invented and first used the rank correlation methods to correlate the different mental virtues of children. The process can easily correlate the variables with the formula rho or R, capital R, is equal to 6 into summation of d square by n into n square minus 1, where capital R or rho is equal to rank correlation of coefficient, d square is equal to sum of the squares of the difference of two ranks, n is equal to number of observations. Rank correlation continued. Here, calculation of rank correlation. Here A to O 15 students are present. and their marks in English and Bengali has been given in the specified column. Now we have to calculate the rank correlation between two subjects, and we have to make an inference of this relation. Now we will see that marks in English and marks in Bengali. Then next column we have to add rank of English, that will be the R1, rank of Bengali, that will be the R2, and next column D is equal to R2 minus R1 minus R2, and at the end D square, that is to eliminate the minus sign we used D square. Here rank of English R1 calculated by, suppose 84 marks in English, 84 is the highest mark, so the student G will get rank 1. Student K will get rank 2 by obtaining 75 in English. In this way we put their rank according to their marks. In the case of the student N and student F, their rank will be 12 and 13. So 12, here the rank will be put as they are taken, as they are obtained the same marks, so their rank will be the same. So 12 and 13, add the number 12 and 13 and divided by 2, that is 12.5. The student F will get 12.5 and the student N will get 12.5. In this way, the student E and the student O, they also get the rank 14.5 and 14.5. In this way, we should calculate the rank of Bengali, that is R2. Here the highest marks got the student H, 96, and the rank will be 1. And in this way, 2, 94, the student K will get the marks and the rank of K will be 2. In this way, we put their rank according to their marks, and when the student E and the student O get the same number, then it will be calculated by 14 plus 15 divided by 2, that is 14.5, and here also 14.5 of O. So the student E and O will get the same rank, 14.5. Now D equal to R1 minus R2 and then D square and summation of D square here. Or the equation rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation of D square by N into N square minus 1. Putting the value on it, we will get the R value, that is rho value 0.7455, and here the measuring scale 0 to plus minus 5 is low or weak, and 0 to plus 1 is positive, 0 to minus 1 negative relation, and 0 to plus minus 5, that is the low, plus minus 5 to plus minus 8 is moderate, and plus minus 8 to plus minus 1 is the high or strong correlation. So here the inference about the association is the correlation between marks of two subjects is positively moderate, as the result of rho is equal to 0.745. It is less than 0.8 and more than 0.5, so the inference is positively moderate. In the other way, we can say the marks of English and Bengali, there is a positive correlation. That is, in most of the case, the student who got higher marks in English, he or she also get the higher marks in Bengali. The marks of these two subjects is positively correlated, and it is moderately positively correlated. Next, the association and correlation, product momentum correlation. To show the relationship between two bivariate data, product momentum correlation coefficient is most well known to the mathematician. According to the inventor, the famous mathematician Karl Pearson, it has been named as Pearson's product momentum method. It is being represented by small r, which value ranges from -1 to +1. The strength of relation depends upon the value of r is as below. Here the equation r is equal to n into summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y divided by root over of n into summation of x square minus summation of x square into n into y square summation of y square minus summation of y by whole square. The strength of r depends upon the value of r, small r, is as 0 to plus minus 0.5, low or weak positive or negative relation, plus minus 5 to plus minus 8, moderate positive or negative relation, plus minus 8 to plus minus 1, high or strong positive or negative relation. Coefficient of correlation after Karl Pearson data book here. Calculate the coefficient of correlation after Karl Pearson. Here the 10 countries: Japan, China, Indonesia, Thailand, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, Malaysia and Afghanistan. Here the female estimated income that we can calculate as X value, and female combined gross enrollment ratio that we can calculate as Y value. Here the total marks, total female estimated income and mean. Here also the female combined gross enrollment ratio and mean. And now putting the value on the equation, product momentum correlation calculation by short process. XY is to be calculated, x square and y square. And value putting on the equation, we will get R value is 0.7389. In the same way, we can calculate the long process. We can use the long process, which is mainly used in regression analysis also. Here the formula R is equal to summation of x, y divided by root over of summation of x square into summation of y square. Here the mean, here x bar and y bar are the mean of x and y respectively. In this way we can calculate it x square and y square, then xy. Now putting the value of these, or that is summation of x square, summation of y square and summation of xy, this value will be put it in the equation. Now putting the value of summation of xy, summation of x square and summation of y square on the equation, the r value will be 0.73819. So the inference of correlation of the variables are moderately positive. Now, homework. Calculate the association and correlation of given data and inference about the strength of association between the variables physics and English number. 1. By rank correlation method. 2. By product momentum correlation in short process. And 3. By product momentum correlation in long process. Here A to K, the students and their marks in physics or English are given in the table, and on the basis of the supplied data on the table you have to calculate these three process and upload the homework in our website theqgeo.com. Go to the website theqgeo.com and then contact page, click the button, submit your homework and proceed accordingly. Thank you. Do it well.